Okay guys, another thing you could do is come to the Flying J and go inside, and they have unlock kits in here they sell as well. So I'll show you real quick. Okay guys, so in the back of the store where all the tools and stuff are at, you'll find this unlock kit, right? See this? Universal Auto Lockout Toolkit. And inside here, it's gonna have a couple of wedges, a couple of reach tool rods, Slim Jim, some jiggle keys. I don't think it comes with an airbag, but you know, this also works in a pinch if you're not trying to pay a locksmith to come out, or you're trying to get it done pretty quickly, or you can't get help for whatever reason. Come over to the Flying J, get you a $29.50, $30 universal unlock kit, and hopefully that'll help you out. So with this kit, you would take this plastic wedge it into your door frame. You would take this metal rod here with the little thing on it, and it would come out, and then you would bend the end of it and flip your flipper lock on the inside, or it has this little loop tool here, this little plastic loop tool that's for pull-up locks, so you could lasso that around a pull-up lock and pull the lock up. Jiggle keys don't really work too often unless it's like an old Chevy van or Ford van or something, and I wouldn't suggest using this Slim Jim right here because on the new modern cars they can sometimes damage the doors. So mainly you're going to want to use this wedge and this reach tool. If you have a pull-up lock, that loop tool, and that should unlock most any car. It's not going to be easy with these tools, that's for sure, but it will get you into the car most likely.